About 3 years now, been working with Elias at OZ and Foreign, and I think I was looking for a local solution to a problem that had me going to Parramatta, had me going to the city for services for our European cars that we had in the family.
I started this business about 30 years ago, and I am very proud of my team. It started in 1984. 15 years ago, Elias took over, my sons, they took over it. You know, we put long hours. Sometimes we start 4 o'clock in the morning and still we go until 12 o'clock just to keep our customers happy. We want to stand on our word when we promise that the car is going to be ready tomorrow lunchtime. That is going to happen.
Hi, I'm Steve. I've been at OZ and Foreign for over 10 years now. I started as a second-year apprentice. We are geared more towards your late model European cars, whether it be a BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, Audi. Even the parts we use, we try to get them from the manufacturer that manufactures it for that car. So you're not compromising on quality as much as being able to potentially do the job cheaper than the dealer. That's why we're your dealer alternative.
We've had lots of European vehicles over many years, from BMWs to Mercs and to Range Rovers at the moment, and being able to bring them here has been a great solution, saving time and getting that local service, but also the honesty and the feedback that you get. All the parts are kept, so you get to see all the parts, and of course you save a lot of money along the way, not paying for those high-end premium services that we sort of get caught up in when you're buying those European cars.
I've always had my car serviced through the company. Now that I'm retired, I've got to service it myself. I thought I'd ask around for the best, person that deals with European cars, in Penrith. My son-in-law, he and his employers said, this is the place to come to. Probably the best mechanic I've been to in 50 years. I'm 76. And I've had different mechanics over 60 odd years. He's probably the best, if not the best, I've ever had to deal with.
Hi, so I'm Leo Abdo, Elias' son, the third generation of mechanic in this lovely workshop where we've been here for over 50 years. We've done a lot of renovation and we've always kept up to date with technological advances. My granddad started it, all it took was a toolbox and some passion, but as the years have gone on, technology is obviously always advancing. So here's our station where we got all the high-end scanners and diagnostic tools. As you can see, all different types for all different makes and models. If a car is a bit older, maybe from 05 to the 1000 years, we use maybe an older scanner, and we got some more over there for more newer cars.
We're also equipped with a wash bay with a grease trap. This way, if your car has an oil leak, we can actually fix the oil leak, wash it back to new, so if anything else develops, we can track it down even further.
So we'd like to welcome you to OZ and Foreign when you need your car serviced next, or if you have an issue that other mechanics don't want to fix or don't want to look at it. So whether it's easy or it's in the too hard basket, you can see us either way. And we look forward to seeing you soon.
Well, just be aware that when you come in here, you're going to have a chat. They're going to take up some of your time. They're going to want to know how you are, how your family is, what the soccer scores were, or give you a great coffee that's made from their coffee machine. Get to see all the family, the granddad, the mum, the sons. So you start to build a relationship, and customer service is great.